I'm the Executive Director of the Center for Volunteerism and Community Engagement here at SUNY Oneonta, and today we are packing 25,000 meals for the people in Otsego County through the Hunger Coalition. And we've got 65 students here who are volunteering. We are hoping to pack 123 boxes to send out to the community for those in need.
Hi, I'm Samuel. I'm an operations manager with the Pack Shack. We're here with SUNY Oneonta, and we're packing 25,000 meals here today.
My name's Amanda. I'm a criminology major, and I'm here to give back to the community and have fun and make new friends.
The Pack Shack is a local organization. We've had the privilege of partnering with 9/11 Day organization to go across the country with universities to pack thousands of meals for their local communities.
Hello everyone, my name is Philip Cornell. I'm a biology major. I'm serving here today for 9/11 Service Day. And I'm excited to meet, for the opportunity to meet new people, help other people that I've never been able to meet before, and just have a lot of fun doing it.
So SUNY Oneonta expressed a strong desire to partner with 9/11 Day organization to pack these meals. And so here we are today. It's been an awesome privilege to be part of this with you guys.